This is the Teach My Preschooler reading section. There's a whole kit, and it has printing, numbers 1 to 100, or math, but we didn't want all that. All we got was the reading. I felt like that was the one that was most important. We can do like 1 to 100 on our own. And it comes with these books, and we're on the first one. The first one is letter sounds A to I. So we're going to see, we've been doing it for the whole week. We're going to see how good he's gotten. So I'm going to ask you to do the, look at him, so happy to be in front of the camera. All right, I'm going to ask you to tell me the sounds, okay? Okay?
Okay.
All right. You've come a very long way. The sound for A is
A.
ah.
Ah.
The sound for B is
B.
good job. The sound for C is
S.
and
G.
good job. The sound for D is
D.
duh. And then they have it here. They give you a tip on how to read it. If this will focus for me. Not done yet. The sound for E is
A.
eh. Good job. The sound for F is F. No. The sound for F is so he's being a little silly right now. Get up, silly boy. We have 3 more to go. The sound for G is
S.
and
G.
G. Good job. The sound for H is ha. Good job. And this one you always get wrong. The sound for I is eh. Good job. We just gotta work on the letter F for you. Good job, buddy. High five. High five.